Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieved this flawless lace frontal install, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my hair braided straight to the back. Make sure your braids are as flat as possible, that way your wig can lay flawlessly. Now I'm just adjusting my wig cap, making sure it's on tight. Then I'm going to take my Gots to Be freeze spray and spray the perimeter of my wig cap. And be generous with this, guys, because you need your wig to stay secure and not slide back. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on a cool setting and blow dry that freeze spray till it's completely dry. Then I'm going to take some more of that freeze spray and do a second layer across the perimeter of my wig cap. Then I'm going back in with my blow dryer and drying that until that second layer is completely dry as well. This step is very time consuming, but please take your time because this is a very important step if you want your wig cap to be secure on your head. Next, I'm going to be cutting out a small hole where my ear is to create an ear tab on the wig cap. Then I'm going to go to the front of the wig cap and start cutting. Make sure you use a small pair of scissors, that way you can get a more precise cut. Next, I'm going to be taking my razor and cutting off more of the wig cap. I like to use my razor to get a more rigid cut. You want your wig to mimic the shape of your actual hairline. Then I'm going to take some more of my freeze spray and spray the ends of the wig cap where I cut to melt it into my skin. And use a generous amount of freeze spray on your sideburns. You want those extra secure, that way your wig won't shift. Now I'm just going back in with my blow dryer and drying that layer of freeze spray. Now I'm going to go in with my Got To Be styling gel and I'm going to put that all over the front of the wig cap. And I'm going to go back in with my blow dryer and dry that first layer. Okay, so now it is time to put on our wig, sis. The details for this unit will be down in the description box below. This is going to be my second install with this unit and it's been holding up pretty well, so I'm very pleased with this purchase. So now I'm just brushing the wig back and I'm going to pin it back. That way, once it's time to lay it down with the glue, there's no stray hairs. And now I'm just going back in with more of that Gots to Be styling gel and putting that all over the perimeter of my wig cap and in the areas where I'm going to be laying my wig. And you already know we're going back in with the blow dryer to dry that first layer of gel. Then I'm going to take my freeze spray and I'm going in with a very thin layer. Since we already sprayed a lot in the beginning, you just need a small layer for the next one. And then we're going to go back in with the blow dryer and make sure that is dry before we apply our wig. So now it's time to lay our wig. I'm going to be positioning it to make sure that it's even on both sides. Then I'm going to be taking my rat tail comb and pressing the lace into that freeze spray. You also want to make sure you're combing the hairs back. That way they don't get stuck to the glue. And I'm going to go section by section and press that lace in. And now I'm just cleaning up any glue residue that is left over on my face. Then I'm going to take my hair out of the clip and I'm going to be going in with my styling mousse and slicking those edges back. So now I'm just parting my hair. At first I wanted a side part, but then I changed my mind and decided to do a middle part. So I'm just making sure that the part is straight, and I'm going to go back in with my styling mousse and lay that hair down. And you want to keep going in with the mousse until your wig is completely flat. So now I'm going to be doing my baby hairs. I'm putting my hair behind my ears, and I'm going to go in with my brush and some more of that styling mousse and do my baby hairs. I like my baby hairs to be natural, so I don't like to do too much. So once I get my baby hairs how I like them, I like to do my sideburns. I like to keep my natural sideburns out. So I'm going to go in with my mousse and blend my natural sideburns in with the hair from the wig. And this is how my wig is looking so far. Yes, honey, laid. Now I'm just brushing through the wig to get out any tangles. Now I'm just going in with my headband, making sure it's extra tight. That way the lace can get pressed into my skin. Once I get my headband secure, I'm going to go back in with my brush to make sure my wig is as flat as possible. I decided to style my hair the next day, so I just put my bonnet on, went to bed, woke up the next day and styled it, and these are my results. Laid, honey. Yes. that is it for this tutorial, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section what other tutorials you would like to see from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.